Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the speaker Realme Pocket Bluetooth on your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to use a widget. So just press and hold in empty space, then click plus, scroll down and click batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, and after that click add widget. And here we go, we can check a speaker battery level. And the second one option is to use an application. So just open it, and here we can also check a battery level. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!